Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a DIY milk bath, and I've seen a couple of videos on how to do this, so I hope I can execute it correctly. But I had my official maternity photo shoot last week, and I thought why not just try to get a couple more photos in, because why not? These are beautiful memories anyway. So if you're interested, just keep on watching and let's hope it comes out beautiful. I don't have the biggest tub, so if you're like on the same boat as me, just keep on watching and let's hope it comes out nice. So I got these flowers about 2 days ago, and they were like about $4.87 each from Walmart, and I got 5, so it was about like 15 bucks. And I tried to stick to like 3 colors, so I got some really light pink ones, some red, some light peachy roses, and then some like lighter ones here. I guess that's 4 colors, but I'm just gonna cut the stem and put them in water while I get everything else ready. So I'm only gonna cut up to like here so that it can still float. I'm gonna put these aside because I'm definitely gonna use these around the tub or inside the tub. And then same thing with these leaves. I'm gonna put them on the side so I can pick them off and just decorate the bathtub as well. So here I have my roses and flowers. I have some stems here that I don't want to pick yet, just in case I want to use it. And I have some leaves here that I took off so I can have them float for decor. And then these beautiful plants that I'm going to put around as well. So this is the tub that I'm working with, and like I told you, it's not really spacious. My whole body doesn't fit here. But I'm going to try to make it work. And here I have the ring light set up. I have my flowers and stuff. I'm gonna get some inspo from photos I've seen on Pinterest, and I have my milk jugs. Alright guys, so this is what I'm working with right now. I put some stems, some leaves, some of these pretty little white plants. I put some roses and flowers for now. I'm not sure how much I want to put. But one tip I do have that I haven't seen anybody do is, since I don't have a lot of space to work with, especially on those edges, and I can't really put anything on there, I taped these on here with clear tape, and you can't really see it. Tip number 2 is I started filling this up with water, but then some plants ended up falling over and the water got really dirty really quickly. So I recommend doing an initial setup first and then start filling up your water tub. Okay guys, so this is the makeup I am going with. The lighting is not very good here, but I decided to try something I've never done before and kind of go with like a purple. I know you can't really tell, it's really light. And then a darker lipstick, just because in my original photo shoot, I already had like a light color on it. So I just want to try something different. And for my hair, as you can see, I didn't do my whole head just because I'm lazy and my whole head isn't going to show anyway. This is going to get wet. And I'm going to wash my hair today anyway because I already straightened it and curled it for the photo shoot a couple days ago. So I just thought, like, why waste the whole hour it takes me to do my hair, you know? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and change into what I bought. I actually haven't tried it on yet, so let's hope that it fits and it looks nice. Okay, so actually before I go ahead and change, I'm going to go ahead and add the milk. So it's been about a week since I filmed that video, and I was 37 weeks just for reference, and I definitely recommend doing this 100%. It was so fun, and I think the pictures came out beautiful, and whoa, that's my kitty cat. And honestly, I think it's just something you can do by yourself or with a partner. I had this camera on a tripod and I connected it to my phone via Bluetooth, so I was able to see on the camera what it looked like and put a timer. I know not all cameras have the option, so if you have someone else to take the photos for you, that works too. So I did half by myself and then half with Josh, and I meant to record the behind the scenes with his phone on another tripod, but then with my pregnancy brain, I forgot to turn the camera on, so I didn't get any footage of that, but I think you got the gist of it. It was really fun. I'm gonna show you guys how the pictures came out, and I hope you enjoy, and I definitely recommend doing this if you are pregnant or just not and just want to do it for fun.